Good morning. We are at Tulsi Falls. This is a brilliant site that we are doing and one of the most difficult sites that we'll be doing. So you just saw the waterfall coming from there to the first droppage and then to the second droppage out there. That is from where the second pond, the second droppage, we are going to pick up the water. Because that's where in summers you always have around 80 to 90 feet of water always there. The first droppage, the water dries out in summers, so that's the place only you have water the entire year. So what happens in summers is, these waterfalls are almost not there. The river from where the water goes down, seepages down somewhere in summers, and then it comes directly to the second droppage out here. So what we are going to do is, at the top there are a lot of animals. Movement of sloth bear, leopard. Actually this place was closed for 3 months because there was very heavy leopard movement out there. So there are regular leopard and sloth bear movement apart from cheetal, nilgai and other animals as well. They find it very difficult to go down there in the bottom in summers and drink water. So what we are going to do is we are taking up the water from here and giving up to the water bodies on the top of this plateau out here. Plus there is a chowki as well. This is a tourist station as well, so we're going to give water here to the chowki as well. And the water will be given to the two water bodies which are pretty far away from the tourist place, so that there is no conflict things. Because what happens is, during tourist destination things, during the tourism time, there are chances of conflict also, because in summers the animals will go down and then there are tourists here and there can be issues as well. So we are giving water 500-700 meters inside, so that the animals will stop inside and they won't come towards this side, and it will also help reduce the conflict out here, and also give water to the wildlife at the top, which is really necessary because there is no water on the top here. So we will be actually putting up the motor deep down there, and which is from here around 200 to 50 feet down there, and we will be actually submerging the motor as well around 70-80 feet inside, and then taking it up to the top. It will be very difficult for us to work. It looks very easy, but we have to go down here, trek down there. It is extremely slippery out here. It is rainy season. There was no water, very less water yesterday here. It has started flooding here. So flooding happens any moment because of the rains that happens at the backside. So we have to be very careful while we are working, because this is extremely dangerous. It has taken lives of a lot of people before as well.